laying your car up over the winter months, tips and advice. So let's get straight on with the video. So first up, what you need to do is check all your levels of all your fluids in your engine bay, especially the ones that are going to be sat around for a while. Usually it's better to have a service prior to storing up, but even so, you don't have to, but do check your levels and also make sure your car is clean. So no bugs are going to sit around inside your engine bay. Generally make sure the outside of your car is spotless prior to storing. And also it's important to have a car cover. Inside, check your fuel gauges and run your car for around about 15 minutes prior to storing. This is just to check everything's running nicely and keep your fuel up in the tank. This stops any condensation getting into the tank. The main thing for storing up is getting your tyre pressures done. The reason for this is to stop any flat spots on your tyres. Now, an important thing is when you're putting any pressure into your tyre, make sure if you're using PSI to put an extra 5 PSI into your tyre, so they're slightly more inflated than what they would be if you're driving them. This does help to stop any flat spots on your tyres, especially low profile tyres like these ones. Now do this to all 4 tyres, that is very important. And then just generally visually check over the vehicle. And coming up shortly in another video, we're going to be discussing car covers and what's best for you. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Clean Truths. Laters!